Welcome! Let's take a look at your journey as an attendee of the ESSKA 2021 Virtual Congress. Please use the login data we sent per email. Enter the email, your password, and click Remember Me. Now you can log in. If you have forgotten your password, simply click Forgot Password. Your privacy, yes, I accept. If you go to your name with the mouse in the top right-hand corner, you can edit your profile. You can upload a photo and edit personal details. You have the option to exchange private messages with other participants. Type in the name of a speaker or participant you are looking for. You will be notified immediately when you have received a new message. Important! For a better experience, make sure to use an updated browser. The platform is accessible via mobile phone or tablet. However, we recommend you use a computer. Unfortunately, Internet Explorer does not work with this system. On the home page, you will always see the current live stream. On the left side, you have a navigation bar. This is explained below. Scrolling down, you will find all our channels which are assigned to specific topics. If you scroll completely to the right, a button appears, more like this. Here you can access all videos on the corresponding topic. If you use the bookmark function, you can put together your personal program. You can see the program immediately or watch it later. If you have bookmarked a session, you can always find it under Bookmarks on your home page. After you have watched the session, you are also welcome to rate it. When clicking on Program, you will be able to review the program of the Congress. The program is divided into Scientific and Industry, which is updated daily. Sessions are scheduled from 8 o'clock CEST, but can be watched at any point during the day, except Channel 1, which starts later in the day. The scheduled time is when speakers and subject matter experts will be invited to be online to take part in Q&A. All content from channels 2 through 5 and 7 will be uploaded in the beginning of the day from 8 o'clock CEST and found in the VOD library. Attention! All content on Channel 1 is live and accessible at the time of the program. Be online on time. Sessions from this channel will also be uploaded onto the VOD after the session ends. You can view the entire program by clicking the button See the Complete Congress Program or the button Download the Complete Congress Program. Live Now. Here you can see the current Live Now content. Channel 1 showcases live the special lectures, highlight lectures, keynote lectures, and expert discussions of every day. You will also find here some of the industry symposia of our Diamond and Gold partners when going live. Please ask your questions. During the broadcast time of the session, according to the daily program, speakers and other subject experts will be invited to participate in the Q&A with participants. Use the speech bubble icon and ask your question. This will enhance your Congress experience. After a session has already been broadcast, you can watch it in the VOD section. Video on Demand. You can access the Video on Demand session at any time during the Congress and for 3 months after the Congress. Sessions will be uploaded incrementally into the VOD section at the end of each day. You can also search for keywords, for example, me. You can search for speakers, just need to enter the name, and special theme searches are possible by using more filters. This tab will show you all e-posters and free papers. You can bookmark and rate the posters as well. You can also ask your questions to the authors through the Q&A feature. Welcome to our industry area. Here you can find our partners, sponsors, and supporters. The search bar will help you here. Type in a name or subject area and the corresponding sponsors will appear. You can also directly connect with the sponsor via live chat or send a message through the mailbox icon. We strongly encourage you to meet and chat with the sponsors and learn all about their products and developments. Should you need any support, do not hesitate to send an email to our virtual event platform partner at support@openslideservices.com. Or, of course, simply take a look at our FAQs. Enjoy your ESSKA Congress 2021. Spread the word and follow us on social media. And if you have not yet registered, register now.